Hello, everybody. Yes, I'm talking. Me. The one that's sitting over here. Legit Von Swag. That is me. I'm in my very beautiful look because it is a very beautiful time of the day. Because today is the day that we are going to get adopted in Animal Jam. Now, honestly, look at me. You would think that I have been adopted before. Look at me. But no, I'm not actually into a lot of that role-playing stuff. What? Are you mind blown? I am, and it's me. Well, I should stop acting like a total person that is dead, and I'm just gonna go and get adopted, but since Animal Jam didn't like my username and changed my username to New Jammer, I don't have to create another account. I just have to be a bunny, and then it will all work. Oh my god, it's a bunny! I'm so happy right now. I actually saw I had to buy a bunny, and I was like, no, I don't want to buy no. I don't want to buy no animal. Oh my god, I could be a shark. Who would not adopt a kid that looked like this? I would, honestly, yes. But no, we gotta be like the cutest kid. You know, the cutest kid. So, you gotta look like this. Now I'm the cutest. Now we're ready to go. Let's go. Actually, no, let's not do that because I look like a creepy stalker dude that wants to kill everyone in the whole entire world. Okay, never mind. Let's just keep it down, close, keep it down. Shut my mouth. Okay, sorry, I just went over there. And, let's see. What could I wear to be cute? How about, like, a little party hat because I'm cute, and then, necklaces. I love those, like, heart lockets. Okay, I'm only gonna wear a heart locket. Hold on. I can be a son or a girl because my eyes are gonna be gender neutral. Okay, let's go. Jamas Team Shoop. Wait, Wiut Partey is un. I don't even know why I'm talking like that. I'm sorry. When did Animal Jam make this like the official adopting center? Oh my god, why are there rare people here? I shouldn't be here. I'm not rare. This bunny is trying to steal my spot because she thinks she looks so cute. Yeah, I'm not gonna even try. Let's go to, like, this place. Okay, never mind. Let's go back to Jimmy. I saw Scorpion. I was like, oh wow, Scorpion, you finally came back from the dead stages. Yes, this is good. This is good. Do I then, if you want to be mine? Wait, what did that guy say? Oh, yes! Yes. Yes. This guy, I'm going to his den. I want to be with this guy. Maybe he'll change his mind if I turn to this. I'm gonna go to his den now. Let's me goes to that. Oh my god, that was creepy. Okay. Let's me change my eyes. And lets me look cute. Aw, I'm so cute. Hi there. Hello. This is better than getting AJ adopted. Never mind then. I look like the boy, honestly. I'm wearing like the weirdest cutest stuff. I should really change what I'm wearing. Let's see, I want to have like a good head item. Not a top hat though, because I always wear top hats. What's a good like hat that's not a top hat? How about a halo? Sorry, did he say something? This is very awkward. Oh my god. Bum, 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 bum. Actually, I'm gonna see if this guy's a fake. I can't tell. Sorry if I'm not talking. This is like super JJ dramedy. What the heck did I just say? JJ dramedy. Good, and I like you too.
Yeah. The American one too.
I'm just gonna sit. We're gonna bring the hearts in. Oh my goodness gracious, this is Animal Jam Loaf. You know what, should I dump them? I am jumping. I can't say dumping you. Okay, I am break you up for food. I am break you up for food. Oh my god. We should get married. Dang. Oh, I can't say that. Be with each other. Finally it worked. This is just Animal Jam romance gone to the next level. Like, God, this guy is so nice. Oh, bum 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 bum. This is actually really boring. I like you too. Wow, that's really surprising, honestly. So surprising. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, no, do not take me back to my jammer ball. I hate my jammer ball. Okay. This is so much fun. I'm probably talking to like this is just okay, goodbye guys. What the heck?